Project in Math by Jomari Nogot from IV-Maxwell. So what's a derivative? Derivative is the measure of how the function changes as its input changes. The constant rule is one of the rules to solve the derivatives. It is one of the most basic ways to solve derivatives, wherein the derivative of a constant is zero. Here is one example where you can apply constant rule. Y is equals to 10 plus 8. Since 10 and 8 is a constant, then they are equal to 0. Then y prime is equal to 0. Here's another example when you can apply the constant rule. Y is equal to 20x plus pi is equal to 20 plus 0. Pi became 0 because it is a constant. 20x became 20 because of the power rule that will be explained later. Then the final answer is y pi is equal to 20. Here is my last example about the constant rule. Y is equal to 10x squared plus 8 plus pi is equal to 10x plus 0 plus 0. 8 became 0 because it is a constant. Pi became also 0 because it is a constant. 10x squared became 10x because of the power rule that will be discussed later. And the final answer is y prime is equal to 10. The power rule. Here is the formula of the power rule. Nx raised to n minus 1, where n is the exponent and x is the variable. Here is my example where you can apply the power rule. Y is equal to 8x squared. Then final answer is y prime is equal to 16x. We got 16x because you multiplied 2 to 8, that makes 16, and then subtract 1 from 2, and that makes x raised to 1. Here's another example when you can apply the power rule. 9 is equal to 10x to the 4th plus 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 1. The final answer is y prime is equal to 40x cubed plus 6x squared minus 10x plus 1. 10x to the 4th became 40x cubed because I multiplied the exponent to 10, then that became 40. And then the exponent form became 3 because I subtracted 1 based on the formula. 2x cubed became 6x squared because I multiplied the exponent 3 to 2, that became 6, and then exponent 3 became 2 because I subtracted 1 based on the formula. Then negative 5x squared became negative 10x because I multiplied the exponent 2 to 5, then that makes 10, and then I subtracted 1 from 2 based on the formula, then there's 1 there. Then x became 1 because I multiplied the imaginary 1 exponent to the imaginary 1 there, and then I subtracted 1 from the exponent, and that becomes x raised to 0, and then that's nothing, and then became 1. Here is the formula of the power rule. Nx raised to n minus 1, where n is the exponent and x is the variable.